Well, good morning, shipwrecks. As you can see, it's a very foggy morning. It's a 6:15. Didn't get the full 20 yesterday. Got to the top of the mountain, and after fighting deadfalls for, an hour, I was like, let's just get what we can get and then start over tomorrow, which is today. But good night's sleep last night. I chose a really good spot. Really no wind at all, but with all this fog up here, you know that saying, if it's cold out, sleep under a tree and then you won't have condensation on your bag. Well, lesson learned to myself. If it is decently mild outside and you're in a fog bank on top of a mountain, that the trees are going to condensate that water. And then with your heat coming off your bag, it's going to rain on you. Yeah, perfectly dry here, and I would have been dry, but I slept under the tree, and those they look like holly trees, evergreens. They kind of catch the water, it condensates up, and then it drips all over you all night like it's drizzling. But wasn't too bad. It looks like we probably have about 13 or so miles today. It's kind of a short day, but there's water. I have almost 2 liters of water on person, so I didn't even really need to make the 20 to make it to the spring. I guess with the weather yesterday, I didn't need to conserve as much, but I did drink, 3.5 liters of water, so it's all good. But we're gonna make our way through the fog and come down off the mountain, and hopefully we have clearer skies and better views. All right, see you up the trail. Well, shipwrecks, we're over with our break. Came around the corner and there's this mist that's coming up the mountain, and it's frosted all the trees. I took a couple pics, but man, isn't that cool? You can tell which way the wind was blowing. All right, see you up the trail. Well, shipwrecked adventurers, look what we found. Putty prints. It looks like there's 2 of them. A bigger one. Yeah. And there was a smaller set as well. Well, kitty cat tracks and I don't care, kitty cat tracks and I don't care, kitty cat tracks and I don't care. They better run away. Look, shipwrecks. It's the Misty Mountain Monster. Hell, I haven't seen things like this in Japan. See you up the trail. Look, shipwrecks, deer tracks, another known food of the mountain lion. Not me, though. Hey, look, shipwrecks. Looks like a pyramid with a keystone up there. It's kind of funny how that arrowhead looks like it's got a peace sign inscribed in it. It's out here in the middle of nowhere. Hippies do travel, I guess. Just like me. See you up the trail. Look, kids, it's a shrine to dragons. See the dragon? I do. See you up the trail. Hey shipwrecks, here I am at Robin Bird Spring, mile 603.3, and yep, the trough system and stuff and the pipes are all out of order, but having a little time on my hands and it being a short day, I did a PWC work project. So I put in some rocks so the corners don't get blown out, put a downspout, put a flat stone in there with some diffusers in it, put a bigger diffuser in there on the drop so if heavy water comes in, this all don't wash away. Put 2 support rocks in there, dug out a trough. It's about 6 inches deep by 3 feet long. These have by my measuring stick. Put a blocking stone in there, and as you can see, there's still a little trickle coming out of the back so we don't get sediment. All right, that's my public works job for the day. Time to get some water and see you up the trail. You can tell it's getting warm out. Post holing. Ooh, that would be bad. Down tree in there, and then I step in there, and I hold it myself. Foggy and snow. Where that trail comes from. All right, see you at the trail.